Now it's time to start your Google Classroom to collaborate with your teachers. The first thing you will do to get to Google Classroom is go to google.com and use the waffle to click on Classroom, or just simply type in classroom.google.com. Once you get to Google Classroom, you'll see the classes that you have listed. You're going to go to the plus sign and click on Create Class. I'm going to call mine 2019 to 2020 Professional Growth and Development. Click Create, and I will wait for my class to create. Once this class opens, you will see 4 tabs across the top. You'll see a stream where information and assignments come in. You'll see classwork, you'll see people, and you'll see grades. Stream, classwork, people, and grades. Most of what you need to worry about is here in classwork and here in people. Let's start with people. To add teachers to your class, they're actually going to be students in your class. So you'll just click on this plus sign and type a person's email. Let's say I'm looking for Derek Suzuki. Start typing his name, click, and then click Invite. Now, once you've invited your participating teachers as students, it's time to give them some classwork. Today we're going to give them 2 pieces of classwork. The first is access to the website, and we're going to do that through materials. So we're going to click on Plus, Material. And I might say something like, here is the link to our E3 website. Now I like to go get the exact link, so I'm going to bounce over on my tab, make sure I'm on the home button of our E3 website, click up at the top in the URL, copy that, and then I'm going to click down here in the link and paste it and add link. Now, when I post this, my teachers will always have access to our E3 website, where you click on it and it'll take them to it. So that's one thing you want to make sure you add to your Google Classroom. The second thing is the actual assignment of work that they'll be working on for their E3 progress. So we go to classwork again, which we're here. Create. This time we're going to create an assignment. So I might just call this E3 work. I don't really want to give my teachers points, so I'm going to click on graded. No due date's fine. You can add topics if you want. Now here comes the important part. We have to be very careful to do this the right way. I'm going to click on my drive. Now I could go to my drive and find that folder I created. But if you recall, in the previous video, I asked you to star that folder. So if you go to your starred folder, you'll find that 2019 to 20 Professional Growth and Development. Go ahead and open that folder, and you'll see those 4 documents that we added to the folder. If I click and then hold the Shift key and click all of the other ones, I can add all 4 of these at one time. Now pay attention, the next part's very important. Once I add all 4 of these, I'm going to go ahead and click Add, and you can see my assignment right here ready to go out to my teachers. Now, all of these are set to Students Can View file. That's fine for CSTP 1 and 6. For all other files, this is the very most important thing, for CSTP 1 rubric, 6 rubric, and my plan, we want to use this drop down and say make a copy for each student. Make a copy for each student and make a copy for each student. Once you've done that, you have a title of the assignment, you have the 4 documents from your drive, you've changed each of them to make a copy for each student except for CSTP items 1 and 6. That's just informational. They just need to view that. Once you've done that, you can assign it. Now you have the website posted in your Google Classroom, and you have their assignment posted in your Google Classroom. You can sign on or watch the next video to see how to view work that your teachers might have started to do.